Because when I problem with you can't delete them as an individual. What's our provinces? Even majority candidate, you cannot be telling us what to do to process EU because he has vested interest. Is that what you should be
So what we do is we also refer that document.
Angagumira ukupera kuya kunoku. Wapedza nyaya dzawo ikoko.
Ukasvika pa 2014 saka let's set principle. The voters will get the supplementary. That's the good thing. That's our big thing. Yes, but the supplementary also cater for the fact that the supplementary is incomplete. Therefore, where the supplementary is incomplete, let's resort to the document and agree on them. But why should we do it now? You deal with those provinces where the supplementary. I think they are voting. Why was they are voting? Because there was so that's enough. We have agreed with the province. Very same and then they bring another one, they want to change it. Because what these chairpersons did, the chairpersons wanted they wrote their own witness. We were not in the constitution, and they want to bring them in from get to happen. Jay, let's accept that. We won't accept that. Let's close up. What's going to prove you to get up beyond my documents that now? No, it's not fair. We want a free, fair, credible election. So that whoever wins, whoever loses, not some of us, we don't want that. And we will not accept that. Never. But we must not, as candidates, dictate this election. We have an independent electoral commission that must deal with this. What we did for Matebeleland, the voting method we used for Bulawayo, is what we should use for every province. We are saying as long as those people are there and we know them. Yes. But we know this was those who are there have already voted. But the rest are not on the voters roll, so they can't vote. They can't vote. So I will say they must be packed there. They must be packed there. They don't found what the reposing voters for. They don't found on the what the voters for. They don't vote. Well, that way it was Zurute who was the deputy spokesperson and everybody knows. There will be no problem. And one councillor in Africa and one other person who is known to be there. Is he now the acting chairman? Who's that? Zurute chief. Deputy information with youth. Yes, remember we created that position. That's when Tabitha came in. Who was now the acting chair? That province is intact. Land with the chair is there, vice chair is there, secretary. There is an intact structure. They voted. They voted. There was, I think there were about 2 or 3. There were about about 2 or 3 were problems.
Inside, a lot of people are going to
Let's have an emergency meeting. Let's have an emergency meeting to deal with this issue. Because we can easily resolve it. Let's just have an emergency meeting, we deal with this issue and we resolve it.
Yeah, no problem.
But I'm sure we're very
Because
close.
the outcome is very clear.
Very close.
After that, you are very close. All countries can resolve themselves and get out. We are very close.
No, we are not, because if you go, this is why we say we wanted to be one place.
Now you are causing problems because my agent are actually a consult.
But let's not go down by vote, I'm a bogus, people are going to vote and they are saying no to that.
But the electoral
Allow those who remain to vote. And numbers are not 2014 and nothing else. Avanosenzera kuti mazita atinawo none of them are there. Vakakuti hapana zvakadaro tiripo.
The second one, don't know what the second one, you know the confirmation.
Yes, let's be fair to each other.
But
Guys.
I'm the first.
Let's be fair to each other. And there's no problem. Those who are not there, ngavatarudza mabhazi munogara. Mozoenda kubaleti.
Not running an election when candidates are intervening, you know,
Manje ndizokuna
elections dzakadaro. Saka very society, hakuna elections dzakadaro.
vanenge varipo veubive.
Takarana ma-elections kulebha kwatiitise izvi. Nokuti the moment you give my identity,
Harare tinoziva kuti
every agent wants to be seen by
akaenda munezauti and I think one more four. But you have a full structure. How do you justify that? How do you justify that? If you want to be fair. So how come the one is better about Manonga every day? It's not right. Sakabali kunzeko because they are not to do that. Bali kunzeko na batao na kwa voters on APC. They are not there. Now we are saying, maybe yesterday we checked that what national was different. Because they know what to finish this process. but we don't want that.